I don't know what I'm gonna do on my eyes yet. Okay, so I think that I'm gonna use my Morphe and Jaclyn Hill collab. I have the whole vault, but I think for this look I'm going to use the Ring the Alarm and possibly dip into the Armed and Gorgeous palette. So this is the Armed and Gorgeous, really cute, and this is the Ring the Alarm, which is also really cute. I do like this one because it has more of the berry tones and a couple of the warm orangey tones. And I do like the shimmers in this palette as well. I don't know. Let's see. I don't know. Alright, so we're going to pretend like my hair looks cute. Because it doesn't. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and make some space. Take a blending brush. This is an IT Cosmetics blending brush. I got this at Ulta. I don't know what it's called. I just know it's a blending brush. And I'm going to go ahead and dip into the color Agent, which is this one right here. I'm not going to add too much of this in my crease. I don't want the look to be super warm, if that makes any sense. Oh wait, I got to prime my eyes. So I'm going to prime my eyes with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Let's blend that out with my Beauty Blender. It's really hard to do eyes or eye makeup when you have lash extensions, but that's not stopping me. I'm not going to set that. I'm just going to go ahead and move on to my crease shade. And I'm dipping in, sorry, like you see me kind of like keep going like this. I feel like I have like a hair or like a fuzzy in my nose and it's annoying. I don't see anything. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and dip into this color right here. It's called Agent, and this is out of my Armed and Gorgeous palette. Not going to pick up too much product on the brush. I don't want this look to be really warm. I just want this color to help blend all the other eyeshadows. Actually, I'm going to use the actual palette. And I'm just going to use like windshield wiper motions to apply this. And I think I'm going to use this brush. This is a Coastal Scents brush from like 900 years ago when I first got into makeup. I used to buy their brush sets actually quite often. I think I bought them like 2 or 3 times. And it just has this number on it. Can you focus? Can you focus? Thank you. So yeah. And it's kind of like kind of dense but not too dense, which is really nice to pack on color and also be able to blend it. So I'm going to go ahead and use the color Siren, which is this color right here. Is it this color? No, that's Rush. Just kidding. It's this one right here. It's kind of like a red toned brown. Really nice. And what I'm going to do with this color is I'm going to start to kind of pack it into my crease right here and also blend it out with the color Agent that we just blended in. And it's okay if it looks a little messy at first. because once we're done packing the color down, we're going to go back in and blend it out and diffuse it. I really like this color. It's like when I pack it on my lid, it looks like a vampy brown color. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back in to that color agent that we first applied in our crease, and I'm going to take that on an Anastasia brush. These are the brushes that come in her eyeshadow palettes. I actually really like these, so I do keep them and use them quite often. And what I'm going to do is I picked up some of the shade Agent, and I'm going to diffuse the outer portion of this eyeshadow look and just blend that dark color out as much as possible. So I'm going to go back in with Siren and just keep adding that color. I just want to create some depth in my eyes, so yeah. Alright, so now going in with the Armed and Gorgeous palette, I'm going to take this color right here that's kind of like a, let's see, it's like a really pearly white color. Let's see if it'll swatch really nice. Yeah, so I'm going to take that on the other end of my Anastasia brush. I'm literally going to pick up just a little bit and tap off the majority of it and just add that right here at the arch of my brow, and then just diffuse the rest of it everywhere else. Nothing too crazy. And then just blend it out. Alright. So now I'm going to cut the crease, and I'm going to use my Wet n Wild concealer brush. It's just a flat brush like this. And my Tarte Shape Tape concealer. Okay, so for my lid shade, I did swatch a bunch of colors. on my hand. I think I'm going to go with the same color that I applied on my brow bone, which is VIP. And this one is out of the Armed and Gorgeous palette. Looks like I'm dipping into this palette. Actually, again, I'm using both Armed and Gorgeous and the Ring the Alarm. So this one is the color that I'm going to add onto my lid. And I'm going to use a flat, down here, a flat brush like this. So yeah, I'm going to take this on the flat packing brush and I'm going to spray it with some Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. I really want to intensify this color onto my lid. Holy moly. That's intense. Ooh, I really like this. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to dip into the Ring the Alarm palette. I'm going to take that same brush that I used to pack on that dark siren color, which was this one. And I'm going to go ahead and dip into this color, which is called Bomb Ass. I'm going to go ahead and take that on that same brush. And I'm going to pack it right here. And try and blend that white shade out. And I feel like this is kind of festive, right? Kind of looks like a cotton candy, what? A candy cane kind of vibe. And then I'm going to just clean off that brush and dip back into Siren to deepen up the outer V and help blend that red with my crease color. Okay, so I went ahead and did a winged eyeliner. I added a little more depth to my eyes. I put this gold in my inner tear duct. Not really sure how I feel about it, but whatever. Went ahead, added some nude eyeliner to my waterline and smoked out my bottom lash line, added mascara. Now I'm going to finish the rest of my face and I will be right back. Alright guys, so this completes the end of my video. I am, oops. I'm super happy with the way that it turned out. I really do like the icy white on the lid. And you can't go wrong with a red lip for Christmas. I just feel like that bitch, you know? Yeah. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn my post notifications on so that you guys are aware of when I upload my next video. Stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram and follow me on Twitter. Connect with me. Let me know what other videos you guys want to see so that I can keep them coming.